Hello, every noodle. How are you today? I finally got my gigantic supplier package. So I'm gonna open some of the little packages that are in the huge box on my YouTube channel. If you saw how I have my camera set up right now with my DIY tripod, you would laugh, so I'm not going to show it to you. But this is the first item. I already opened this one. I already opened a couple by accident. This is a Ibloom vintage jelly peach with a monkey. This is a cool monkey, in my opinion. This one is very squishy. Feels like a very soft gummy bear. It's in great condition. I'm gonna get the Ibloom license for you. Right there. Bloom. Just because an Ibloom item you might not recognize it, it doesn't mean it's not Ibloom. It means you've probably never seen it before. Ibloom is a pretty old brand, so they've been making squishies for a very long time. Anyways, I'll show you the other things that I've already opened. This is a banana. Brand unknown, but look how squishy this is. I want to apologize in advance for the huffing and puffing in the background. I'm tending to Ernie Noodle and James Noodle today, so Ernie is just panting behind me because he wants treats. Look at this banana! And it came with this little peach. I already had one of these, but I mean, I think it's an apricot. It's super slow rising. Smells great. They both do. Might be part of a set. Alright. And look at this gigantic corn dog. I've always wanted one of these. They call them sausages in Japan. He's pretty squishy, but he smells so good. Like sweet cornbread. Alright, let's start opening packages, people. Wait, just kidding. Let me show you what's inside these. I gotta say, Cat Cakery and one other person, I'm so sorry. You guys guessed right. These are tadpoles. Oh my goodness. I got two. One of each of them is pretty, kind of has some defects, but they're still just so adorable. Look at that, the defect. Everything you're seeing basically will be for sale on my store Envy. Alright, now let's get to opening these packages. Package number 1. I like to tear things because I don't want to cut stuff by accident. Well, actually, I'm going to use the scissors for this. Oh my gosh, this is something amazing. Hang on. This is something I didn't even know existed until about a month ago. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is an Ibloom. Yes, Ibloom mushroom. It's in it's a squishy inside of an air squishy. Look at this. Okay. This is so crazy. Wow. There's the Ibloom on the side of the mushroom right there. Oh my word. And it's so squishy. Holy guacamole. Oh look, it has a little magnet. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Alright, package 2. know, I forget what I've ordered. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is such an amazing moment for me. I finally got Cinna. I actually just ordered, not mocha, but the other brown colored, one of Cinema Roll's friends from Disconnected, so I'm so excited to get her. This is my second baby, so now I have twins. How cool. These are velvet, like velvet outside, exterior of them. So cute. Okay. Next. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not a squishy. This is something that is incredibly adorable. I forgot all about these. Oh my word. Okay, these are like, look how cute these are. Aww. Look at that one. These are so cute. These are keychains. Little lucky fat kitties. They are too cute. I love the tags too, if you can see them. Good grief. Alright, next up. What is this? Okay, now this is something I'm really excited about. It's so adorable. It is an air squishy. It's one of those like little sandwiches you can get at a Japanese convenience store. Looks like egg salad. Oh my gosh, it's so bitty and adorable. Alright, next. Ooh, this is... Oh my gosh. This is something I'm really excited about. I love this character. Oh, he's so cute. I call him Chicken Worm. I'm sorry. These are just gashapon of him though. You can see he's right there. I actually thought this... Oh, good grief. I actually thought this was going to be a full set, so I'm kind of disappointed that there's just two. Weird. But still, really, really cute. Okay, next. Oh my goodness, look at this. You know, I've never had one of these before. Always wanted one. They're so expensive. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging it's in. It's like plastic. Oh my gosh, it's kind of, you know, it's like plastic like the Ibloom mushroom. But of course this is not Ibloom. It's an onsen manjukun kind of. It's beautiful flowers. Oh, so pretty. Perfect condition. Okay, next item. Oh my gosh, this is something I've wanted forever and never been able to get my hands on. This is an Ibloom watermelon squeeze toy, you guys. Watermelon. There's the Bloom licensing. Remember, just because you haven't seen it before doesn't mean it's not Ibloom. Here it is. And let's take it out and squeeze it. Of course. There's Bloom on the side right there too. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look, it's like a it's a watermelon popsicle. Oh, it's so squishy and cool, you guys. How cool is that? Oh, I'm just loving this. Alright, let's see what's in here. I don't want to take up your time like super long. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is something I wanted for so long. I've never even seen one for sale. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so squishy. It is so slow rising. Holy guacamole. I think Boba is going to like this. It may be for sale. I don't know yet. Wow. It's a bottle of ketchup. Obviously. Brand new. So beautiful. Oh my word. It's kind of hard to see, but it is so squishy and slow rising. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright. Next up. Oh my gosh. I forgot all about these. These are axolotls. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, they're squishy, you guys. I didn't realize these were squishy. I did not even realize these were squishy, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love them. They're like jelly squishy. You guys are going to love these, I know. Alright, nearly done with this first round of packages. There's a lot more. Yeah. Oh my god. You guys are going to love this. This is so cool. Okay, this is Ibloom. I'll show you the little butt first. There's the bloom. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this kitty. She's so cute. She is so cute. Wow, this is incredible. So amazing. Okay. It's fun opening up little packages inside of a big package. Oh, yes. Oh gosh. This is a Ibloom shimmery. Oh man, it's so squishy. Heart. Sorry, I couldn't finish the word. So it was so... I'm not seeing the licensing on this guy. Huh. It's weird. Maybe I'm blind. Do you guys see it? Maybe this is one of the strange Iblooms that does not have a license. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. You know what it smells like? It smells like sweet tarts. Wow. So pretty. Put it back in its nice little box. Okay, let's see what we have next. This packaging is familiar. Oh yes, look at this. Okay, I got a homemade squishy from Tristan that he sent me of a character, the panda, that Boba made. Gosh, would it Boba Squish Forever? I think that's her name. She's amazing. She makes freaking vending machines. So she handmade a panda squishy. These are Gashapon. Let me see if I can pick out the little... Oh, yes! Look at them. Now, the one in here I'm really excited to see is the bread. There's these little guys. Beep, beep, beep. Here is a piece of the pan bread guy, but let's see, where's the... Oh man, this one's cute. Ooh, I think this is it. Nope. But this is adorable. Panda in a box. Oh, here it is. This one, look at this one. Look at the toast. Screaming for unknown reasons. That's adorable. Set those aside. Whoa. Okay, last two for now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've been wanting these forever. And I got a really good price on them. And they're like posable banana peels. This one out. Whoa. Oh. Okay, I thought you could pose them for some reason. But I guess they are hard. Whatever. They're really cute. Look at that. Look at this. So darling. Little guy. So cute. I'm sure I'll do something with these today. Alright, last package for now. I mean, there's tons more I have to open. But this is the last one I'm going to do for now. Otherwise, this video is going to be an hour long. Oh, cute. Cute. Okay. This is an adorable little strawberry stitch. Right from Disney Japan. And then this one is, ooh, he is so cool. Orange. Alright, well, thank you for watching my first unboxing video. There's so much more to open, so I'll see you later.